What is working capital? In accounting, it's current assets minus current liabilities. But in finance, that's called net working capital. For this context, it strictly refers to current assets, cash, marketable securities, accounts and note receivable, and inventories. Items used or converted to cash within a year or normal operating cycle. Why is managing is important? Adequate working capital helps maintain good credit standing, settle expenses on due dates, regularly replenish inventory, avoid default risk, and exploit businesses opportunities. As businesses grow, production and sales increase, raising assets like inventory and receivables, which may lead to more liabilities, more credit purchases. Effective management means matching current assets to liabilities with clear policies, ensuring prompt payment to creditors and smooth operations.
Which of the three policies on the level of current asset do you think is the best one and why? I think the moderate policy on the level of current asset is the best one. This policy keeps a balanced amount of cash, inventory, and supplies. The moderate policy helps a business pay its bills on time while still earning money.
Sa tatlong policies on financing the current assets, ang pinaka-safe para sa isang business ay ang conservative financing policy. Sa policy na ito, ang negosyo ay gumagamit ng long-term funds para pondohan ang karamihan ng current assets tulad ng cash, inventory at receivables. Dahil long-term ang source ng pondo, mas mababa ang risk na mabawasan ng cash o hindi makabayad ng utang on time. Hindi agad naaapektuhan ng business kahit bumagal ang sales o may biglaang problema sa market. Kaya para sa mga negosyo na mas inuuna ang safety kaysa sa mataas na risk, ang conservative financing policy ang pinaka-practical at pinakaligtas na choice.